Hi there, my name is Mike Ram, and I want to talk to you today about planning or not planning. One of the great things that a lot of marketers always bang on about is being really well planned, and some even talk about planning up to 10-minute blocks, quarter-hour blocks. The saying goes that if you plan properly, you plan success. If you don't plan, then you plan a failure. And that may well be right, but you have to also be prepared to act on the plans that you have in place. And taking action, as much as anything else, is the most important thing you do. But also, when it comes to planning, yes, it's good to be tight into a certain schedule of things that you have to do. But at any one point, you should be concentrating on doing the most important thing in your business. I.e., you may have a to-do list as long as your arm, but if it's not a must-do list, then you have to work out what is the most important thing on that list and keep sticking to whatever is the most important thing and the next most important thing to do, because that is where you will gain in terms of your business success rather than just by moving robotically through a list and doing everything on it, because you can bet your bottom dollar that there are a lot of things that are on the list, if it's a to-do list, that aren't really that important, that your life doesn't depend on it as a marketer. You won't make any money out of it, and it may make you feel satisfied in a certain way because it looks better or you know a bit more. But if it's not crucial to you actually making money out of your business and succeeding and moving your business along, then it really shouldn't concern you at the time, because you need to always be working out what is the next most important thing that you have to do. Now, the spheres of importance in terms of running a business are as follows: getting traffic, capturing that traffic, and following up with that traffic, which is basically a three-step process. And fourth, but I'm not going to talk about it for very long, is the sales system. You have a sales funnel with products in it, but the important bits come before that, because I assume that you've already got a sales funnel that you're sending people to. But the most important thing is to make sure that enough people who are right for your message, i.e. you target them, actually find out about whatever it is that you're advertising and get sent to an appropriate place like an opt-in page so that they can get a lead magnet or free product, and they put their name into the opt-in box, and their name then goes onto the email subscriber list, and they get delivered the free product, obviously, this is the capture process. And then from that on, you do follow-up. And the follow-up consists obviously of a daily email sent out to them with a mixture of pitches, entertainment, and education. And the way that you're going to actually build up a relationship with the people who come onto your list is by continually giving them valuable content, because that's the best thing that you can do. But all the steps that come before that, i.e. finding the traffic to drive to your opt-in page, are just as important as well. And anything that falls outside that part of the business really shouldn't be on your must-do list, because your must-do list must always concentrate on those three areas: getting the traffic, making it aware of your existence, giving them a reason why they might be interested in you, which involves a certain amount of psychology and marketing, and then capturing their name in return for a lead magnet, which they've obviously been turned on by, and then doing follow-up with them. And it's just those three stages: driving traffic, capturing traffic, and doing follow-up. And that's really the sum total of it. Whatever is outside of that, whether it's building a new website, doing a better logo, concentrating on prettying up your blog site, is less important. You can outsource all those things out. But the other process is you have to keep your finger on the pulse and be directly concerned with. And that's the sum total of it, of what should concern you, because that's the amount of work that it's going to take to drive your business forward, and that's where you're going to make all your money from. Now, if you like this video, then put in a like. If you don't like, give me a dislike. Leave comments below if appropriate. Subscribe to my channel. And for a free product about traffic, please go to the link below. I'm sure you'll find it worthwhile. Thank you very much for your attention.